guys, from Maestro Vito Iacopelli, welcome back to my channel. Today is gonna be a very interesting video, like always, thumbs up. Today I'm going to show you what you can do with the pizza dough, because you cannot make only pizza with the pizza dough, but you can do something else. Today we are going to do something sweet. Let's go see how to make the Neapolitan donuts. Basically, it's the donuts made with the pizza dough. Let's go see how to do it, step by step. Let's put it down. A little bit of triangle. Let's grab a cup like this, or even a cup. Let's make a press and let's cut the dough like a circle. Let's cut the dough. Voila. Now with something like this, let's go make a hole in the center. Voila. There we go. We got the donuts, guys. We got the donuts. Le ciambelle napoletane. Let's warm up the oil to put it in the fryer. And let's leave it there until they are cooked. Here you go, guys. We have the donuts ready, and in my donuts I like to add some Nutella. Nice, nice. Don't be scared of the Nutella, don't be scared. A little bit of powdered sugar, and the donuts are done. Okay guys, did you see? From the pizza dough we were able to make this amazing dessert. Look at this. I'm hungry. So sweet. Guys, I can't wait to taste this amazing Neapolitan donuts. Hope you like this video. Please thumbs up and check out my other videos. Buon appetito and see you at the next video from Maestro Iacopelli. Ciao!